I know a lot of people might not totally agree with me or might find it a little difficult to look at this broader picture. But the reason why the concept of Women's Day does not sit really well with me, it's just limited to this one day. There are so many crimes happening against women every single day. So many people around me who are stuck in stereotypes. और ये चीजें हम Women's Day पे भूल जाते हैं because it is easy to focus on the easier, glorified, prettier parts than the uglier parts of it. I honestly, it could be a really strong opinion, but I honestly call it like a facade that the society suddenly wears that, oh my god, we are so liberal, we are so equal, we appreciate women. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of edX Talks. और आज की जो वीडियो है is it's going to be a small one and it's a special feature for Women's Day. And the reason कि मैं खुद ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ instead of bringing you a power pack podcast is this is one topic that I really feel strongly about. Okay, so Women's Day, all of us know, हम सब मनाते हैं. There are celebrations all across. There are words like, describing women, appreciating women for being strong, smart, bold, graceful, beautiful. और वो सब सच है. All of that is true. Women deserve all of that, not just one year of the day, every year of the day. But the reason why the concept of Women's Day does not sit really well with me, all the celebration, all this appreciation, all the acknowledgement of the things that women do, it's just limited to this one day. It's just limited to all the good and positive and cute and pretty things, and nobody really wants to talk about the background, the backstage, whatever happens behind the scenes for women to actually be able to celebrate something. आज की डेट में भी इंडिया में it's only 1% women in leadership. आज की डेट में भी there are so many crimes happening against women every single day. Friends of my own age, my own generation, who do not have still, the equal rights or equal choice, and who are juggling their studies or jobs with families, who are taking up way more responsibility than other people around them. And आज की डेट में भी I know so many people around me who are stuck in stereotypes, and it's just how deep conditioned it is into them. And a lot of these things I personally honestly do not experience, but then आपको खुद experience करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है to feel somebody else's problem. The reason I'm sharing all of this is this video is not a traditional Women's Day celebration that, oh my god, women do so much and they deserve to be celebrated. That is of course true. But a lot of growth, a lot of freedom, a lot of choices that women have got all over these years, वो इस एक दिन की celebration से नहीं आई हैं. वो हर रोज की struggles, हर रोज की decision making, हर रोज की battles से आई है. The battles that women choose to fight. The women who choose to go beyond their comfort zone and fight not just for themselves but for every other woman in their community, in the society. The women who choose to speak up no matter if it is safe for them to do so, no matter if it is comfortable for them to do so. और ये चीजें हम Women's Day पे भूल जाते हैं because it is easy to focus on the easier, glorified, prettier parts than the uglier parts of it. Honestly speaking, जब तक हम वो uglier parts को acknowledge नहीं करते हैं, there is no point of celebration. तब वो celebration सिर्फ ये 1% women के लिए ही रहेगी और वो 99% women, उन्हें उस 1% का जो वो gap है वो bridge करने में सालों साल लग जाएंगे. I don't know where this conversation is going. It's very candid and I don't really even know कि इसका impact क्या होने वाला है. But all I want to say is, if you're a woman who has been putting in the efforts every day, who has been trying to make lives of herself and other women around her better in some way, be it education, be it working, be it staying vocal, be it changing the perspective of someone in your family, particularly अगर आप Indian household से आते हैं, so that is again a huge thing. If you're working towards that, kudos to you, kudos to your effort, and do not just focus on celebration of this one day or what people tell you on this one day. You know the struggles that you go through throughout the year, and you deserve acknowledgement and appreciation for that throughout the year. But what is more important is keep doing that. I honestly, it could be a really strong opinion, but I honestly call it like a facade that the society suddenly wears that, oh my god, we are so liberal, we are so equal, we appreciate women. Do not let that facade get to you that society wears. Do not let it make you forget the actual true struggles that women go through every single day of the year. Just keep doing what you do, okay? Fight for it, stay vocal, ask for your rights, ask for your choices, support other women around you in whatever ways and means that you can. Because there should rarely come a time when celebrating women should not need a day. It should be imbibed in us. You know how men post that International Men's Day तो किसी को याद ही नहीं रहता. I feel it would be good अगर International Women's Day भी किसी को याद रखने की या purposefully celebrate करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़े, because that is when, okay, it's normal. Acknowledging women's efforts is normal. We need to achieve that normal for the society. I know a lot of people might not totally agree with me or might find it a little difficult to look at this broader picture, but as someone who sees that, as someone who has worked with those sections of the society where women do not get even the basic rights, I genuinely feel we still have a long, long way to go. And as women who have the privilege and leverage, it is our responsibility to work for that section of the society to bridge that gap jitna jaldi hum kar sakein. So yes, happy Women's Day to all of you, and not just on this 8th of March, but every single day of the year. Keep doing what you do. Keep shining.